Okay, we kind of have a rainy day in Macau here, and the focus of this street is not actually going to be this one. It's going to be this street that's parallel to this one. And so we're going to be going around like this and around like that, and then we're going to walk all the way down that way, and we're going to end up kind of near that area back there. Let's just see. But you'll see. But we're basically going to do in like a little bit of a strange U, like with a really long middle part. Okay, and we'll label that street accordingly. So stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And by the way, we're starting at Nam Van Lake, and that's interesting. The boat came through here, so you must have got over that little thing there. It's interesting in itself. So we got a rainy day here. This is kind of like this. This is kind of highlight this real quick. This is parallel to the street that we're going to be going on, which is one block over. I could actually cut through that way, which is maybe what I'll do. Well, you probably want to see as much that you can, so I'll highlight this one and kind of go around. So this one is Macau Tower, Nam Van Lake. Dragon boat races are out that way. There's some kind of cool stuff over by that white tent. There's some cafes in this area, some nice graffiti, and sometimes I do some videos around this one. But this particular one is going to be the street that goes this way on the other side here. Got a McDonald's right here, and then we got this Nam Van Lake, which you can't see. Step out into the rain. So this is Aia Building, Nam Van. So let's get back into the lack of rain here. Then we're gonna head on through. So this is kind of the, this is called Grand Praia. So we're gonna be walking down Grand Praia just a brief little bit. And then there's kind of all kinds of interesting stuff around here. There's a cafe right there. Let's go around like this. And then this one can go up into these kind of buildings, which we're gonna be going parallel on in a moment. But we're gonna follow the entire street so that people can see exactly what's here. So yeah, Grand Praia, that's that marks the street that was where the beach used to be. So a long time ago, the coastline would have been right where we're standing, and we probably would have been in the ocean in the past. But now Macau keeps changing. So yeah, that's Grand Praia, that whole avenue right there. And then our focus of our road is going to be this one, which I believe is Avenida Comercial. And there's New Johan. So when they reclaimed all this land, they were able to build the stuff like, I think New Johan probably came right around that time, which is a department store. Let me just see. There's the street sign right there, Avenida Comercial de Macau. You can barely see it. So we're gonna walk down this street, and then we're gonna end at there's Grand Emperor Hotel right there. So that's quite pricey and expensive. I did do a video of that one recently, so you should see that one soon. Kind of a rainy day here, so we can step out into the rain. And then up here, that other entrance that we saw, the stairwell, you can actually go up in this area and take a look at things. So you can actually see that same waterfront from up there. This is called Lakeview Mansion. So you can view Nam Van Lake. Hello, Macau. So yeah, if you walk up there, there's a whole empty space there. It's like a rooftop thing. Looks kind of cool too up there. So we're gonna be walking further down. There's Grand Emperor Hotel right there. And then we're near Aia Building. So let's walk this way so you can get a proper view of it. So this Aia Building, there's a Starbucks right there, Starbucks, Aia Tower. And then way at the top there's a rooftop, which you can't quite see, and it's a little bit rainy. But this whole building has like a Starbucks. There's like a big weight room in here, a big gym. Looks like premium workspace, a lot of like office kind of stuff in here. Oops. This is kind of get a good view of it. So walk out that way. There's some of the restaurants too. Sky Bar, that's the one. Sky Bar is the one that's up at the top. I'm getting a lot of rain in here, so let's just move on. There's Grand Emperor Hotel. I got that one little raindrop right there. So what we're gonna do is, those are little parks right there. So those spaces right there, that space right there, that's for underground parking right there. And then this one is where all the motorbikes park, and then you can also walk all the way around the building. And then where we started at was over there, and there's the Macau Tower. So so this whole building could be an interesting one to walk around, the AIA building. But Sky Bar is really the highlight of that one. Okay, so now we're gonna, that one is the Grand Emperor Hotel. A lot of tourists will be in line to go to the border. Mostly Chinese tourists go to Grand Emperor, as far as I know. And mostly Chinese tourists. Macau basically targets Chinese mainland tourists. They don't really target foreigners very often, which is a shame because there's a lot of cool stuff everywhere for foreigners. All the Portuguese influences, tons of Filipinos, Indonesians, things like that here. A lot of them want to come here and holiday, but they usually almost only target the mainland China audience. Okay, so this is Free Flow, the Mason Bar. Never even heard of it. I'm not sure what's down there. I think just some buildings maybe. The Mason. Free Flow. Huh. Kobe beef. Well, there's definitely stuff that I don't know anything about that's in Macau that kind of surprises me on a regular basis. But I think a lot of people, when they watch the videos, they see stuff that I might show that they never heard about either, so. There's the Grand Lisboa right there. So there's a little plaza right here, and you got Grand Lisboa, Grand Emperor, Sintra Hotel. So all three of these big hotels focus on that little area. And it's raining quite a bit today, so this looks kind of cool. That's that one right there. So I should try to get over that park area. I think this is, see the name of this one in a minute. There's a park over there that I kind of want to get to, but okay, so this is called there's a cup of coffee. It's kind of cool. It's actually 3 layers, I think, but that might be a Japanese restaurant up there. So Nam Van Peninsula got some medical center, another restaurant, Montessori, Joker. What's that? Joker. Joker's Barbershop. I know the other Joker's Barbershop in Taipa. Let's see if this is kind of similar. I think this is a Taobao shop. Let's just see. Huh. That's cool. I'm gonna ask him about that. And here's the coffee shop, Bao's Coffee. This one actually has, huh. Is that brand new? Yeah, so that one actually, talk about that in a minute. There's a guy that has a barbershop in Taipa. I'm gonna ask him if it's connected. Huh. Y Club, V Club, Club Vegetal. Huh. So anyways, there's a barbershop in Taipa that's really amazing guy, interesting guy. Lives in Macau, of course. I won't say too much about him, but that has the same name of the same shop, and if you want to get a really good haircut, that's the place to do it at. Okay, we're gonna have to come out here too. Oh yeah. So that's the other side of the... So that's the Joker's Barbershop. It's the same logo, same everything. I'll have to ask him about that. Actually, I go there and get my hair cut, so I'll go there and ask him about that and find out if find out the situation about that. So yeah, kind of cool. So this is like a little courtyard here, and yeah. Let's go down a little bit further. China overseas property. It's gonna get that one little park over there, but I think that'll be a different video. It's raining anyways, and I usually that one kind of pulls people in, but this one is overlooked quite a bit. There's another coffee shop up there. There's some people having a cigarette up there. Hashtag. Where this one is, looks like a coffee shop as well. Huh. This one looks like a roast brew, another coffee shop. Japanese maybe? Okinawa. Wow. Huh. Cafeteria. Check that out. I think that's a pedestrian way. Whoa, so if you're up there, you can kind of come down this way. Huh, this area is kind of underutilized. Not so many people come here. I almost never see people in this area. There's Tony and Guy. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. A lot of commercial things that are here that but there's not so much foot traffic. There's Tony and Guy again. Huh. So I guess we're gonna come over this way, come back to the waterfront again. That's good I started at the waterfront because I keep finding ourselves over in that area throughout this whole video. Oh look, they got stuff set up there. So that's kind of where we started, right? So Avenida Comercial kind of shares a lot of this waterfront with all this office space coming all the way down. So we basically started over that way, that brown one down on the other side at the corner, came down here. Kind of curious about this. It's too bad it's written in, it's too bad there's like no English at all. I kind of want to know what that is. It'd be amazing to sit up there. I don't know what fruit it is though. Okay, let's go a little bit further. And I think this one, not sure the name of it, but we're gonna try to go behind it and go around it that way. And I think that might be a whole other video, that little plaza thing. I'll connect it with the other street. I'm gonna do the other street later. So here we go at the Macau Tower. We're going behind this building. There's Taipa over there. Taipa is in the background, and in the foreground is Macau Tower. There's like a bunch of judicial buildings that are right there. And then this one right here is a new building, this green building. I don't know what it is, but they block the view for a lot of people who are waiting for the bus over at Lisboa, and they block the view from some of these residents. But I guess if you later have this property, if you have an apartment here, you're gonna be kind of out in the lake a little bit with a pretty amazing view. So I guess it's amazing for the people that are living there, but maybe not that great for everybody else. Does look like it's gonna be kind of cool though. So I don't know if I can go around in a circle or not, but we're gonna see what happens here. Looks like I can on this rainy day. Yeah, so actually we're able to go around this building. I wasn't aware that I could do that. And there's that kind of cool shaped building. Let's jump over. Huh. Sometimes I'll see people just hanging out here. I wonder if they live here here sometimes. So yeah, we kind of walked around that building, and I'll have to see the name of it. I think it's called Lakeview or something like that. I think one of my viewers is a pretty cool viewer, and I have some good ones on the channel. Live there. Let's see if we can go a little further here. So we have the Wynn Casino. Yeah, we're just gonna keep on going down since we're at the Commercial, but I think we're gonna be ending pretty soon, but we'll just keep on going down anyways. So that's all the construction right there, buses. Keep on walking down. Dang, we're at 15 minutes already. All right, so we have to end this one shortly. Yeah, this will have to be a whole other video, so we'll just end it right there. You realize it's going to 15 minutes already, so we'll end it right there. And Avenida Comercial was all over the other side of that. Long video. Hope you liked it though. Okay, this video we're going to be going down this street right here, and we're going to be starting kind of at this Wynn in MGM and walking down this one, so stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we kind of have a rainy day here, and it's reading those ones. There's Avenida Comercial de Macau, and we're gonna be walking straight down this way in kind of this rainy day. And this is a pretty good video. I'm gonna be kind of in a little bit of a rush, but we're gonna walk straight down to the new Johan. We got the Lung Bank, and then this is kind of new, so some people might not have seen this before. It wasn't here a couple years ago, and then suddenly it was constructed so that people can easily get over this busy road, and there's an elevator, which is nice. There's Commercial, Aia Building. Some raindrops, a little bit caught in the rain. And then there's the Hotel Sintra. Actually, okay, I kind of have to get somewhere quickly, so this might be kind of a short video. I don't know how interesting it'll be. Apologies for that. There's like a little area right over there that's worth exploring. But I kind of got to get somewhere. Hotel Sintra. Anyways, maybe we'll just save that one for another time. I'll do it in more detail when it's not raining and I'm not in a hurry. Toma cuidado la voz divina.